Hi guys, Nikki Cali here from Wisdome, and today I'm just going to share with you just little details on events feature that is inside Wisdome. And as a partner, and partners are people who we call basically the businesses who are showcasing their content and so forth. So this is the partner portal, and basically when you're going in and to create an event, it's quite simple. You just obviously have the add event button and you fill in the details accordingly as it prompts you. And here you'll see there's an option to actually add in your live stream URL, which would be like your Zoom link to the actual event, or, if it's through Vimeo, wherever it is anyway, you can actually add that in there. And obviously you can select when you're accepting participants. Here is obviously in the next stage, which is who has access to this event. And you can choose to, open up the event to everyone or specific actual access levels. Obviously, there's the date and so forth. And description. And here as well, there is a cover image, or you might even have an intro video that you want to have up to introduce what the event's all about. And you can have that showcased on the event cover. And as well as that, if you do have a booklet or some sort of resource that you want your participants that are coming along to that event to download, you can also add this here, and your participants will be able to download that when they register for the event. So it's quite simple adding all that information in for events itself. Now, with respect to how events work on your screen, you can obviously view it in a month, week, or day, or even as an agenda based on that month or that particular week. And you can always go backwards and obviously to today's date. So with events and so forth, you'll be able to see how many people have actually joined that event. Now, with respect to what your members see, they actually see this particular screen here. So it's very similar to what you see. Again, they can choose month, week, day, or even by agenda. And they'll be able to select as well if there's a particular event that they want to go to. So in this case here, they can choose to register for an event here, and you can see here one of them has already been registered. So when we're going through them, they would click register, and there we go, they've registered successfully to go to that particular event, and they can choose to actually view that event as well. So here on this case here on the 14th, which is today's date, they can click and they'll be able to see the information of the event itself. And here's just a description, and there'll be a link to the actual event because that's how we've set it up in our system. Now, as well as that, you can see here comments. Now, you can invite people if you're running an event, a webinar, or an AMA session, which is like an Ask Me Anything session. And you can invite people and say, look, list your questions here in the comments, and I'll make sure I'll refer to them in the actual Q&A session. So you can always, invite your users to actually engage and prompt, when you have particular events, especially like Q&As. So that's events. Very simple, nothing too exciting there. But if you do have any questions at all with respect to events in our system, by all means do email us at support@wisdome.com.au.